In the far north of Denmark, where the cold wind lashes the golden dunes and the waves of the sea crash against the shore with a constant murmur, there once stood a charming camping complex. It was hidden like a secret oasis for those who wanted to escape the noise of the city. Right here, close to the beach itself, there was a restaurant, the heart of this place. From a leaflet that survived the passage of time, we can learn just how special this corner of the world once was. Close to nature, when you visit us, you'll leave the city behind and step into nature. You'll experience a truly unique natural setting. The nature in and around the campsite is extraordinary. It consists of dunes, forests, a beach, and of course, the fantastic sea. We don't know the full story. Perhaps it was a financial collapse. Maybe a change of ownership, and the promises made were never kept. Or maybe it was simply time and fate. All we know is that one day, the restaurant was closed and then abandoned. And indeed, this place had a soul. Guests drank coffee to the song of seagulls and the scent of the sea. In the evenings, the interior lights reflected warmly in the windows, creating a feeling of home in the heart of wild nature. Every corner of the building held memories: the sound of cutlery, dancing to music, conversations over wine at sunset. For years, this was where the life of the campsite unfolded. Birthdays were celebrated, engagements announced, happy moments remembered over mulled wine and local fish. No one imagined it could all just disappear. But it did. Today, however, the place looks very different. When we arrived, silence fell. The door hung loose on its hinges. Shattered glass from the windows crunched beneath our shoes. Inside the restaurant, chaos. Broken chairs, stained tablecloths, ripped out sockets, graffiti sprayed on the walls. On one of them, an old poster from the restaurant still hung. The contrast between that image and reality was staggering. It was heartbreaking. You could feel this place once meant something, that people loved it. Now abandoned, vandalized, it waited for something ... Perhaps a new beginning, or perhaps to be forgotten. We looked through the shattered windows at the vastness of the sea. Only the gulls and waves could be heard, as if nature itself was trying to soothe the pain of a place that had once harmonized with it so beautifully. We left behind not just a ruined building, but also a question. How could something so full of life disappear so quickly? The sight gripped our hearts. How could a place so full of light and joy be destroyed in such a soulless way? We stepped outside. The wind carried the scent of salt, and gulls circled above the dunes as if nothing had changed. The sea still whispered, as it always had. Nature remained indifferent to human affairs. And although everything around it was crumbling, we could still feel that the place had a spirit. That someday someone might once again see its beauty, clear the wreckage, and open the restaurant doors anew. But for now it stood empty.